Caravan was towed in. Originally talked to her about Misfire, flashing check engine light, Misfire. So I says, oh, it's probably Misfire. We'll do spark plugs on it. And then I said, just drive it in. And she couldn't start it. So it was towed in. We go to try and boost it and bring it in, and it kind of starts, but we saw shaking and stuff like that. The entire intake isn't even held on. The EGR has been removed. Somebody's been in here, all kinds of stuff's disconnected and stuff, so we don't know what the heck's going on, but yeah, it's not supposed to be like that.